Hello dear friends, now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go! Top 5 Best Cooking Knives Review. Number 1 HENCKELS Cooking Knives. HENCKELS knives feature precision-forged German steel blades with a razor-sharp edge and polish to a smooth finish. The classic HENCKELS hammer design is light, strong, and functional. These German knives are made with the highest quality steel and are finished to perfection, with perfect balance and a comfortable feel. Highly durable, they're made to last, and with proper care will stay that way for generations. HENCKELS knives are known for outstanding cutting, slicing, and dicing capabilities. They are dishwasher safe, and the triple riveted handles are both pleasing to the eye and comfortable in the hand for all-day use. The HENCKELS cutlery set comes in an attractive gift box. Each knife comes with a lifetime guarantee and is beautifully packaged for gift giving. Cut through delicate crusts, slice delicate fruits and vegetables, and do it all with ease using HENCKELS high-quality knives. Made from high-carbon stainless steel, these 15 ultra-sharp knives ensure precise. Number 2 FARBERWARE Cooking Knives. FARBERWARE has been a trusted name in the kitchen for more than 100 years. FARBERWARE offers an unmatched combination of design, innovation, quality materials, and value. FARBERWARE looks to the future with a continued tradition of quality workmanship and proud American heritage. A complete set of quality kitchen tools at an amazing price. This 22-piece set includes all the most essential tools for any chef. Constructed of high-carbon, triple riveted, high-grade stainless steel, knives feature soft, sure grip, double-dipped handle, and precision balance. The set includes a chef knife, a carving knife, a utility knife, a sharpening steel, a honing steel, a food pusher, a meat fork, kitchen shears, and a block with a knife guide to keep blades sharp and protected. Block is removable, shipped to you in a variety of attractive gift boxes. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Amazon.com Essential Kitchen Tool Set. A complete set of quality tools at an amazing price. High carbon, triple riveted, high-grade stainless steel construction. Set includes a stainless steel chef knife, a carving knife, a utility knife, a sharpening steel, a honing steel. Number 3 EATNEAT Cooking Knives. EATNEAT's handsome black knife set comes with 5 sharp knives, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 inches with a comfortable, soft grip handle which makes cutting neat, easy, and safe. Also included in the set is a bamboo cutting board and a 5-piece sharpening tool set, which is important for maintaining the great cutting performance of your knives. The sharpening tool set is portable, making it easy to upkeep your knife set wherever you are. Level up your kitchen game with the world's sharpest knife set. The EATNEAT 12-piece kitchen knife set includes ultra-sharp, German-crafted stainless steel blades, durable nylon handles, and protective sheaths that make these knives a powerful addition to your culinary arsenal. This set of kitchen knives has everything you need to perform a wide range of kitchen tasks quickly and efficiently. You can chop vegetables, dice meat, slice cheese, and even butcher whole chickens with these efficient kitchen. Number 4 WANBASION Cooking Knives. If you're sick and tired of cheap, useless kitchen knives, we invite you to try the WANBASION kitchen knives. The WANBASION knife series are made of high-quality stainless steel. It is special designed by Japanese craftsmen who know that a kitchen knife is one of the most important tools in the kitchen. It is designed high performance and high quality to make your kitchen life easier. The handle is also made of stainless steel to make it more durable and last longer. And this knife is 100% safe to use. It comes with a protective sheath, non-sharp edge side to keep it safe when not in use. The knife is dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and very convenient to use. Australian customers, please. Number 5 MCCOOK Cooking Knives. It's always a good time to make one of your favorite dishes with this MCCOOK RMC25 knife set. Made of high-carbon stainless steel, these durable knives will slice, dice, and mince with ease thanks to their razor-sharp, serrated blades. The set includes 15 knives with a block to keep them organized and secure. The knives are coated with a water-resistant polymer to resist corrosion, while the handles are ergonomic and slip-resistant to provide a comfortable and confident grip. With the convenient built-in sharpener in the back of the knife block, you'll always have your cutting tools sharp and ready to use. This 15-piece German stainless steel knife set includes everything you need to get your kitchen up and running. Thanks for watching my video.